So if you think about the advent of electric vehicles and the impact to the manufacturer, I think, again, you're going to deal with cost effectiveness, right? So one of the big challenges is just not only battery life, but battery cost, right? So I think it's going to drive a need for a lot of innovation around batteries. I think it's going to drive, again, those shorter cycle times. I think it's going to drive, EVs. Vehicles are very expensive now, so I think you're going to, again, go back to efficiency, throughput, cost are going to be big variables in all of it. So, but also, a major change in skill set and capabilities from a traditional, gas-powered manufacturer. The skill sets of engineering and manufacturing are going to change significantly. So that's another part of this. The OEMs are going to be challenged on the employee front for a couple of reasons. One is just changing all that technology, but another impact on the floor. We've got clients now that are looking at next generation digital manufacturing. A big part of that conversation is the user experience and the employee experience. So they expect to be able to, use their device at work the same way they use it in their personal life. And so a lot of manufacturing environments today, that's not the experience at all, right? It's paper-based or it's green screen-based. So there's a major need for investment within the manufacturing four walls around that experience and how, the humans that are left in the plants interact with a highly robotic, highly AI, machine learning driven process.